Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to be doing just a process art journaling page, so I hope that you enjoy it. Grab a cup of tea and let's go. So I've got this paper here that I was practicing on before, and I'm going to use it for my substrate, and that's a really good little thing for you to do too. You can use up your junky old papers, and then you got cool things peeping through, and some collage papers. There I have eco-dyed some fabric, and you don't need to use fabric, but you can certainly use your own homemade collage papers. I think they're much more fun to use. And this is a photograph of a dandelion that I took and cut out. And when you get all your things ready, get your matte medium or whatever you prefer to use and start gluing things down in the way that is appealing to you. Just use your intuition and make sure everything's glued down really well so nothing is sticking up there. So for me, I love to add white, in case you didn't know that about me. I always say I love to add white, and I do. And here I'm adding white because I wanted to soften it up a little bit. I didn't want it to look so much of a chunky collage, even though I love these colors. But I wanted to soften it up, and I'm just playing around, and I don't want to cover everything up. You want to let some magic peep through as well. And here I am adding just a little bit of quinacridone gold from a local brand called Opus. And I am in love with this color, which you may know that about me already. And you know, the white is still wet, so I'm adding it in there and it's going really creamy and really toning it down so it's not as bright, and I just think that's beautiful. So here I am adding a Liquitex acrylic ink. It's called Muted Pink. And just here and there and watering it down using my fingers, just adding the layers for interest. Now this little sentiment I got from Tim Holtz Ideology sticker pad, and here I am using the Faber-Castell Polychronos coloring pencils, and they're absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave a link below to some of the products I'm using here. And these pencil crayons are not water soluble, but I really wanted to try them here. So actually I was so excited that I get to try them for the first time today with you. And I think they're beautiful, and I really like these colors that I got. I think they really go well with the rest of my page. So just continuing to make some marks and playing around. And there's my Kimberly pencil. I really like that chunky little pencil. Gives a nice darker look than just a regular graphite pencil. But I'm finding that I need even darker. So I've got my charcoal pencil here and just outlining the dandelion and going over the original marks just to make them darker. I really like that look. But you know, I really feel like giving this a feathery look around the dandelion. So I'm using my Stabilo water-soluble pencil, and I'm activating it with water to make it just look a little bit more dreamy. And I don't know about you, but I am just sometimes addicted to making borders. Do you like to do that too? And I decided that this page needs a border. And when your paper is fully dry, then you can use your archival pen to do some art journaling so you don't ruin your pen. Thank you so much for taking time to be with me today. I really do appreciate it, and I really do hope you find joy in the ordinary. I think that's a lovely sentiment and a lovely way to be. Take care, you. Be well. Bye.